Okay, I'm leaving now.
Wait.
What?
Come back for a second.
What did I forget this time?
Your wallet.
Oh no, seriously?
Yes, it's on the table.
Wow, that was close.
You really need to slow down in the morning.
I know, I'm always in a rush.
Why are you in such a hurry today?
I have a lot to do.
Like what?
First, I need to go to the bank. Then I need to go shopping. And I also want to stop for coffee.
That's a full schedule.
Yeah, it's going to be a long day.
What time did you wake up?
Around 7.
That's not too early.
It feels early for me.
Did you eat breakfast?
Just coffee.
That's not enough.
I'll eat later.
You always say that.
This time I mean it.
We'll see.
It's a nice morning.
Yes, the weather is good today.
Not too hot.
Not too cold.
Perfect.
Do you like mornings?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes?
I like sleeping more.
Me too.
But mornings are peaceful.
That's true.
Wait!
Oh no!
Don't tell me.
The bus just left.
You're joking.
Wish I was.
I can't believe this.
It happens.
This is not my day.
Relax.
When is the next bus?
Let me check. About 18 minutes.
18 minutes feels like forever.
Not really.
It is when you're in a hurry.
Where are you going?
River Street.
That's close to my office.
Really?
Yes, I can give you a ride.
Are you sure?
Of course.
That would help me a lot.
No problem.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
So, what do you do?
I work in sales.
Interesting. Do you like your job?
Sometimes?
Same answer again.
Yeah. Some days are good. Some days are stressful.
I understand. Work can be tiring.
What about you?
I work in marketing and
That sounds busy.
very busy. Would you like a quiet spot?
Yes, please.
Right this way.
Thank you.
Here is your menu.
Thanks.
Take your time.
Actually, I'm ready.
What would you like?
A cappuccino.
Hot or iced?
Hot.
Anything to eat?
Yes. Maybe something light.
We have toast, eggs, and pancakes.
I'll take toast and eggs.
Good choice.
This is exactly what I needed.
A good breakfast?
Yes. And a quiet moment.
Sometimes we need to slow down.
That's true.
Life can be busy.
Very busy.
All right, next stop.
The supermarket.
I hope it's not too crowded today,
It's always crowded.
especially in the morning.
Yeah. People like to shop early.
Do you like shopping?
Not really.
Why not?
It takes too long.
That's true.
And I always forget something.
That's why you need a list.
Good thing I made one today.
Let me see it.
Milk, bread, eggs, fruit,
Looks good.
and cooking oil.
Okay, let's try to be fast.
Yes. Let's focus.
Do you need a basket or a cart?
Maybe a cart.
Good idea.
I always take more than I plan.
That happens to everyone.
Okay. I'm ready. Excuse me.
Yes?
Where can I find the milk?
Milk is in aisle 6,
Aisle 6. Okay.
at the back of the store.
Thank you. Wow. This place is really big.
Yes, it is.
There are so many aisles.
Yes, it can be confusing.
I feel lost already.
Just follow the signs.
Good idea. Here we are.
So many choices.
Wow. Full cream, low fat, almond.
Which one do you want?
I don't know.
What do you usually drink?
Regular milk.
Then take that.
Okay. I'll take this one. Okay. Next is bread.
It should be near the entrance.
Let's go back. I don't see it.
Look carefully.
I'm looking.
Check lower.
Oh, there it is.
See?
I didn't notice it before.
You were looking too fast.
Yeah. I need to slow down.
What kind of bread do you want?
White or brown?
Brown is healthier.
Okay, I'll take brown.
Good choice. Now let's get fruit.
These apples look fresh.
Yes, very fresh.
Should I get red or green?
Red is sweeter.
Okay, red it is.
What about bananas?
Not too ripe.
These look perfect.
Nice and yellow. That took longer than I expected.
Yes, but you did well.
I got everything.
And you solved a problem.
True.
How do you feel now?
Tired, but satisfied.
Good word.
I feel productive.
That's even better. All right, here we are.
Finally.
The bank.
I hope it's not too busy today.
Let's take a look.
Oh, no.
What is it?
Look at the line.
Wow, that is long.
This is going to take forever.
Maybe it moves quickly.
I don't think so.
Let's stay positive.
I'm trying, but this doesn't look good.
Wait, do we need a number?
Oh, good point.
Look over there.
Yes, there's a machine.
Go get a number.
Okay. I got number 52.
What number are they calling?
Number 41.
That's a long wait.
Very long. How many people are ahead of us?
Let me count. 1, 2, 3, maybe 10.
10 people?
Yes.
This is bad.
Relax.
I don't like waiting.
No one likes waiting.
I should have come earlier.
Yes, mornings are always better.
How long have we been here?
About 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes?
Yes,
It feels like 30.
that's how waiting feels.
Time is moving slowly.
Very slowly.
I'm getting tired.
Do you want to sit?
Yes. Good idea. This is frustrating.
I understand.
I had so many plans today.
Things don't always go as planned.
That's true.
What will you do after this?
I want to relax.
You deserve it.
Maybe I'll go to the park.
That sounds peaceful.
I'm really tired now.
We're getting closer.
Are you sure?
Yes, look at the screen.
Number 50.
We're almost there.
Finally.
Number 52.
That's us.
Finally.
Let's go.
Next, please.
Hi.
Hello, how can I help you?
I need to pay my bills.
Of course. Do you have your account number?
Yes. Here it is. And
Thank you. Which bills are you paying?
electricity and internet.
All right, let me check.
Is everything okay?
One moment, please.
Sure.
The system is running slowly today.
That's not good.
It happens sometimes.
I understand. This day is full of delays.
All right, everything is done.
Finally.
Your total is $135.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Thanks.
Please keep it for your records.
I will. That took forever.
But you finished everything.
Yes. I feel relieved.
That's a good feeling.
Very good.
You were patient.
I tried my best.
So, what's next?
I need a break.
You earned it.
Maybe I'll take a walk.
Fresh air helps.
Yes. I need to relax.